The world over, industries face complex challenges in producing better product with fewer resources while minimizing environmental footprint.
The music bed.
Textiles is one of the world's most resource-intensive industries. There is immense pressure from regulatory bodies and industry stakeholders to ensure responsible usage.
The music bed.
Strict enforcement of environmental legislation and harsh penalties have made sustainability an imperative. From mills to brands, there is a concerted push towards sustainability. At Huntsman Textile Effects, we lead the industry in meeting sustainability challenges. Product stewardship lies at the heart of what we
The
do.
music bed.
We consciously use safe, sustainable raw materials to ensure product quality and the safety of our people. We're passionate about implementing technologies that help us conserve resources and reduce our environmental footprint. We constantly innovate to deliver sustainable solutions that help customers make their operations more efficient while meeting environmental obligations. We collaborate with the government and local communities to coexist in harmony with the environment.
Sustentabilidad
The
para
music
mí
bed.
personalmente es estar en relación con tres elementos: la seguridad, el cuidado de la comunidad y el respeto por el medio ambiente.
The effluent treatment plant at Huntsman Atoto is our commitment to minimizing harm to the community and environment. Since 1976, the ETP has leveraged technology to enable us to safely manage the wastewater from our operations, curing up to 900 cubic meters of wastewater each day. This leaves only clean and clear water flowing into the neighboring Santiago River. The ETP has two processes to treat wastewater, one for high salt content and the other for biodegradable ingredients. In the first process, wastewater's pH is adjusted by adding sodium hydroxide 50% before evaporating the water and separating the sludge for proper and safe incineration. In the biological process, the pH is adjusted with lime and homogenized before being treated in a large lagoon to separate biological ingredients. This waste is then sent to the centrifuge to remove the sludge for incineration, and the residual water is clarified for any solid waste. After this, the discoloration process removes any pigment to leave clear water. The water is further treated using granular activated carbon and disinfected to remove any bacterial residue. Finally, only clean and clear water leaves our facility to flow into the Santiago River. We monitor every step of the entire process through a state-of-the-art control system.
La planta de tratamiento y su descarga nos permiten tener una calidad de agua dentro de parámetros como lo mencioné y permitiendo que el río Santiago reciba una agua muy limpia. Esto nos permite que las zonas aledañas.
Today, we are reusing nearly 10% of the wastewater for the plant. Our ongoing investments in technology will enable us to fully reuse the wastewater in years to come.
The music bed.
We also contribute to the community by training local companies on how to handle dangerous situations, deal with hazardous chemical materials, and perform rescue operations.
The music bed.
La comunidad nos percibe como una empresa responsable, socialmente responsable, que pueden contar con ella. Es decir, si existe algún problema, ellos saben que pueden contar con nosotros en caso de que exista un incidente. Cuentan con nuestros equipos, con nuestro personal para ayudarlos en caso de alguna crisis.
We work with schools and other members of our community to create infrastructure that not only creates jobs but also environmental awareness. Through our sustainable practices, we foster positive change to ensure a better future, not just for the textile industry, but also the entire planet. Atoto, a part of Huntsman Textile Effects.